In this video, we're just going to show you the language options available on the HTC One S. So we've gone into the settings, we've gone to language and keyboard, and we can select system language. Now these are the language options that you have for the default menus and sort of the ROM on this device. So you can change it to any one of these languages. So there aren't too many there. So we've got from Polish, Italian, French, Spanish, English and Dutch. So those are the main ones that you can change the actual menus to on the device. However, you may want to change the writing language. So when you're writing a message or an email, you may want to write in a different language if you're communicating with different people, or if one of those system languages isn't your default language. So you can go into HTC Sense Input. You can then go into the international keyboard, and you've got a few more options. Not the most extensive list, but there are more options nonetheless. So we don't have Arabic, but we're now seeing some different ones such as Latvian. We've got the Polish, we've got the Romanian. And then we've got some of the Chinese languages and also Russian. So this is the full list of languages that are available for the keyboards on this device. Now you can tick each one that you want to appear within the keyboard options. So if, for example, we go to write a message now, we get the keyboard come up, and you can see here that it's actually in Russian. We just toggle this button between the selected languages and the keyboard layout will change accordingly. So we're going from Danish through to Swedish and so on. You can see how the keyboard is changing to give us the layout that applies to our language, and then you can type your message, and this applies anywhere really where the keyboard comes up. You can switch between those different languages and change the language settings on the HTC One S.